Happy New Year! I believe that good things are on their way in 2023. Personally, I hope to find my interest and I will be happy more and more this year. If I look back for my past few years, I can feel that many things changed due to reality. I changed my dream to be a designer to a computer-related worker. I changed my dream A-level subjects from art to physics. I changed my interest from drawing a creative art to solving a math problems. But then I realized that I can combine those fantasies of my life with the expectations on me. Perhaps I can enjoy wearing a teenager-like clothes and get inspiration from that experience to make an NFT art. So, I will never drop my pen from me even though my A-levels are burdens on me. This can be used in my UCAS personal statement in future. And as always, I decided to draw an NFT picture based on that day. I hope you enjoy it.